today is the video everyone on this channel has all been waiting for. We had a ton of parts to this Boston Whaler restoration series, but now the boat is ready on the trailer. We're ready to drop her in the water before we actually go out in the ocean. So today's gonna be the water test video, guys. So like I said, we're gonna drop it on here, test the engine out. We're gonna do a nice hard beating test on it. We're gonna, put full throttle on it, see how fast she can go, and we're gonna have some fun with her. So I'm excited. I didn't think this day was gonna come, but 6-7 months later, here we are. So let's drop her in on the water.
All right, hold on. There's a drop off at one point.
Huh?
There's a drop off at one point.
We can't get it off. It's not working.
Okay.
Keep going. Well, guys, I'm not even gonna pretend like we got this thing off the trailer easily. A ramp later, because the other ramp was too shallow. We finally got it in. So as you guys can tell, I mean, it freaking floats, which is insane. So it's crazy looking at it in the water, guys. It really is. After all the months of hard work we had to go through and all the money, this thing is just awesome, guys. So we're gonna hop on, give it a start, and kind of cruise around and see how she handles. So I'm super excited, guys. So stay tuned to us starting her up and getting on. All right, guys, we got her started and on the water. Let's go ahead and have some fun.
Got a slow roll through here.
All right, fellas, you ready? All the way down. Now it is. Guys, she's floating. She's floating. She's doing pretty well. She's definitely not a speedboat. She's not setting any land speed records, but we're going. I mean, check this out, guys. I mean, she runs. It's a nice little 4-stroke. She runs nice and quiet. I mean, it handles pretty well, guys. We got 3 people on the boat right now. It's like I said, it's pretty slow, but she floats, so it's a good sign. It's a good sign, guys. We like to see that. So we're just gonna kind of have a little bit of a fun little canal cruise, kind of cruise around a little bit more, and then this is pretty good for a first water test. No complaints for me so far. This boat's amazing. I mean, I never thought I would be actually driving it, and it actually floats. So it's pretty crazy, guys. attention, pay attention.
Oh, what's popping over there? You got that?
Just trash. Alright, we're gonna let first mate Andrew drive. Let's go and get some footage of him. Here, watch out. First time standing on the front of my boat, guys. I never did it on the trailer because I was so afraid I was gonna break something. First mate Andrew. Captain the one of a kind. Oh, motor cut out. Nope. All right, somebody hop on and grab the thing.
Let me get up like that.
All right. Alrighty, guys. So we're back here at the house. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I really didn't have time to go ahead and explain what was going on because I was too busy paddling with our hands. It was really weird. We were, you know, going back to the dock because I actually wanted to hop off, get some drone footage of the boat actually moving around. And I go to put it, I like cut the gas a little bit, go to put it in neutral, and all of a sudden my engine just dies. It won't turn back on. So I don't know what's going on with it. It trimmed back up, like it had enough power to trim back up, and then it just kind of, it won't do anything else now. So I don't really know what's going on with that. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and figure that out. But I mean, today has been a huge success, guys. I mean, we got the boat on the water, running. We had the boat running for about an hour and a half, guys. We took the boat, you know, a long, far distance, and it was amazing, you know. It was really cool to kind of walk around my boat. You know, like I said, I've never really walked in the front of my boat and everything else like that. And it was just fun, guys. I mean, it's been a long process and a long journey, and to finally like reap the reward of all the hard work, it's just been awesome. So it was really fun today, guys. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed the water test. I hope you guys enjoyed it with me, and thank you guys so much. So the next Boston Whaler video we're gonna go ahead and do, guys, is going to be a complete review of my Boston Whaler, showing you guys all I have on it, all the custom things I've done, I guess. And just like an all in all just kind of tour of my updated boat, you know, because I did the first, you know, my Boston Whaler boat video, and now I want to, you know, put a video of how it is done and kind of show my layout of the boat, and, you know, kind of maybe inspire you guys if you guys have a whaler you guys are doing, and, you know, if you guys want to go ahead and copy my design layout. It's nothing super special, but I mean, it's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into the actual water test of the video. It's been very fun. It was awesome getting to take the boat out and see it float. You know, it was awesome to actually know it floats. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in next week's video for the full review of my whaler. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. One of a kind, out. Look back.